roughly 40 million middle class Indians pay income taxes, right? वो साफ डेटा है भारत सरकार का. There are 170 million retail investors in the stock market. That means करीबन roughly conservatively 100 million people, 10 करोड़ लोग, उनके पास टैक्स भरने के पैसे नहीं है, लेकिन स्टॉक मार्केट में सट्टा करने का पैसा है. It's highly likely they're doing stock market satta using borrowed money. So what Indian households have done is increasingly they've shifted their savings away from savings accounts and into the stock market. Data from SEBI and AMFI suggests that over the last year, Indian households have almost exclusively invested in small cap funds. Right? At one of the most overvalued junctures in Indian history in small cap stocks, Indian households have taken money out of their savings accounts and put it in small cap stocks. This is the kind of thing which gives capitalism a bad name. Right? Some of the most financially stretched people in the country have been incented, encouraged, coaxed into taking money out of savings accounts and loading up on small cap funds at a point where they're the highest valuation peaks. You can understand what consequences this will have. And as if this weren't bad enough, right? There's growing data that households have borrowed money to invest in the stock markets. In fact, the former chairman of ICICI, KV Kamath Saab, said this in an Economic Times interview a couple of months ago, that there's growing evidence that households have borrowed money to invest in the stock market. In fact, recently when you and I went to Bijnor district in UP, we saw an example of that, right? You've gone to a prominent high street banks, an illiterate man came and took a 10 lakh loan from the bank, and he said that he will invest that money in futures and options in the stock market.